Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to create this look for you guys using the new Carli Bybel Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. So if you guys want to know how to create this look right here using this palette, make sure to keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, please turn on the bell notifications so you can be notified every time I upload. Now let's get started with the tutorial. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Carli Bybel palette. Let me open it for you guys. I just fell in love with these colors right here, these two. I just wanted to create something blue for you guys and I decided to create a halo eye. So we're gonna get it started. I did prime my eye with the P. Louise base and this is in the shade 2. First I'm just going to take this M507 from Morphe. And I'm going to take this shade up here. This is the dark brown, but it's more of a cool tone brown. So I'm going to take that first. I'm going to put it in the outer and inner corner. So I'm just going to start blending that. And with this palette, I know it's going to work out great. I love Anastasia eyeshadows. They're the best in my opinion, because they are easy to blend. I know they have a little bit of fallout, but I think they're the easiest to blend and they're like the most pigmented. They're definitely my favorite. So I'm just kind of tapping this first color and kind of leaving the middle open so you can connect it. And I'm not extending the shade over here because I want it more rounded. Now I'm just going to take this Morphe times Jaclyn Hill JH40. And I'm going to take the next shade, which is called Bybel, which is this one here. It's just such a pretty cool tone rose color. I'm just going to blend that out with this shade. Oh, that's pretty. I'm just taking half of that color and this one and just blending them out together. I'm just making circles as I go. This is the Morphe times Jaclyn Hill JH31 and I'm just gonna blend that out with no product. I'm just going to add a little bit more to bring it back to life. And I'm going to add some in the center. To cut the crease, I'm going to use the P. Louise base once again. And I'm using it with my Sigma concealer brush, the F75. I'm just going to start applying it on the lid. And looking straight without closing the eye, I'm going to start rounding it out. I asked you guys what kind of eye looks you guys like on Instagram, and the halo eye one. I was between a cut crease or a halo eye, so you guys voted and you guys voted a halo eye, so thank you. And now with my finger, I'm just gonna take this shade right here, this one here, and I'm gonna apply it with my finger and just set the base. Ooh, look at that shade, you guys. It is amazing. Wow. That's really pretty. And now with the flat brush, I'm going to apply it closer to where I cut the crease, since I can't put my finger there. I'm just going to take the brush and fill it in all the way to the edge. Now I'm going to take the dark shade, the dark brown, and just blend it out. Just blend it out so there are no harsh lines. This is what my eye is looking like. I am filling it, but I still want to add this glitter right here. This is the shade OA. I don't know if to apply it with my finger or a brush. I'm going to try my finger and just apply it on top of that. It's just gonna add a little bit of sparkle. Ooh, that's so pretty. It looks good, girl. Well, according to me, it looks good. I am feeling this look so far. And I'm just gonna go back to the dark brown again and just blend out the edge here in the inner corner. I am gonna add something in the inner corner. I'm gonna use this shade right here. This one, it has like pink reflex and blue. Ooh, that is beautiful. I'm gonna do my face and the other side off camera, and I'll be right back to put on the lashes, liner, and do the lower lash lines. So I'll be right back. I finished my face and the other eye off camera, and I am digging this look. Everything put together looks way better. And now I'm gonna move on to lashes. I'm gonna apply these Tatti Lashes in the style TL4. I love these lashes. They are so easy to apply and they last a long time. I use my TL3 like 10 times and they're still going strong. But these are in the style TL4. You can see the look a little better with this style. Just applying it with my lash applicator. This is from Lily Lashes. They are very, very natural and wispy, yet they're still very long. The glue that I used is this Kiss lash glue. Lashes are on, and now we're gonna move on to the lips real quick. I'm gonna use the MAC lip liner in the shade Cork. And now for the lipstick, I'm using this Morphe lipstick in the shade Bare All. I will link everything down below so you guys can check out what I used on my face. So now I'm just going to apply the lipstick. This lipstick is amazing from Morphe. It's not too dry, it's not too creamy, it's in between. And then I'm gonna finish off with this lip gloss by Alamar Cosmetics in the shade Dulce. So this is gonna make it a little lighter. For the lower lash line, I'm gonna go back to the shade Bybel, which is this one here. I'm going to put that with the Anastasia brush that I came with and just apply it down here. And on the other side. This color is beautiful. If you don't want to try a straight up cool tone eyeshadows, this one is in between. I love it. And then I'm going to take this in gold brush by Sigma. This is the E65, and I'm going to apply the darkest brown, which is this one up here. This one's going to go closer to the lower lash line. And then I'm just applying my mascara, which is the Tarte Gifted Mascara. I love this mascara. This is an OG mascara, one of my favorites. I'm just applying it here on the lower lash line. This is the Cookie Highlighter, and I'm just gonna take that pencil brush, the Jaclyn Hill JH38, and I'm just applying it here. And now I'm gonna use this Tarte Fake Awake eyeliner just to make the waterline a little lighter. I usually use black, but I want to change it up and use a light one. Just gonna open up my eye a little bit. So this is the final look right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I sure did. I am really loving this palette. It worked out perfectly. These shadows are obviously compared to like ColourPop. They're really great quality. This is $45, but it's still worth it. You get 14 shades, which is amazing. And you can't go wrong with Anastasia Beverly Hills shadows. They are so great. I almost have all the palettes, but I didn't get some of the limited edition ones. I sure do want the Jackie Aina one. That one looks amazing, but I still need to pick it up. And then this one came out, and it reminded me of the Sigma Enchanted eyeshadow palette. I didn't get to pick that up. I know it's available on the Revolve website, not on Sigma website, but still, that one kind of reminds me of this. And it is a little bit pricier, I believe, but I still want it in my life. I want to create like a holiday look with that enchanted one. But anyways, back to this eyeshadow palette. I think it's amazing. They swatch really nicely. I really can't wait to dig into these colors right here. And I also swatched these two gold ones, and girl, let me tell you, the pigment is there. I would definitely recommend this to you guys. It is very worth it. If you're a makeup junkie like myself, you do need it. But if you're not into makeup that much, you definitely don't need it. There are some unique shades in there, but still, you probably won't reach for this as much. The grade that I'm going to give this palette is an A. It is very worth it. I definitely recommend it. It's an A, it's a 10, it's a must. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial right here. If you did and you loved it, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.